If you need to add bullet points in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to format text inside shapes and text boxes so your diagrams look cleaner, more organized, and much easier to read. Whether you're building a flowchart, brainstorming ideas, or creating a process map, bullet points can help you present information in a simple, professional way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Lucidchart document and decide where you want to add bullet points. You can do this inside a shape, a text box, or any object that supports text editing. To get started, double-click the shape or text box. This will place your cursor inside the text area so you can start typing or edit existing text. Next, enter the text you want to format. If you already have a block of text written out, go ahead and highlight the part you want to turn into a bulleted list. If you're starting from scratch, you can type your lines first and then format them afterward. The key here is making sure the text is selected before applying the bullet style. Once your text is ready, look at the top toolbar and find the Text Options menu. This is where Lucidchart keeps the formatting tools for your text. Click on Text Options to open the formatting settings. From there, you should see a range of text formatting choices, including alignment, spacing, and list styles. Now, choose Bullet List from the text formatting options. As soon as you click it, Lucidchart will convert your selected text into bullet points. This is the main step, and it's what gives your content a cleaner list format instead of one long paragraph. If your text is already separated by lines, Lucidchart will apply bullets to each line in the selection. If you want to add more bullet points, there's a simple shortcut you can use. Press Ctrl plus Enter on Windows or Command plus Enter on Mac to create another bullet. Then continue typing your next point. This makes it easy to keep building your list without having to stop and reformat each line manually. You can repeat that process as many times as you need. That's especially useful if you're creating structured notes, checklist style content, or step-by-step instructions inside your diagram. Bullet points make everything feel more polished and easier for your audience to follow at a glance. If the bullets don't appear the way you want, just make sure the correct text is selected and that you're editing inside a supported text area. In most cases, the formatting is very straightforward, and once you've done it once, it becomes second nature. So to recap, all you need to do is double-click the shape or text box, enter or select your text, open Text Options, choose Bullet List, and then use the keyboard shortcut to add more bullets as needed. It's a fast way to make your Lucidchart diagrams more readable and more professional. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.